Welcome to my channel, Beautiful Resin. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel so I will bring for you beautiful ideas about resin coaster, resin alphabet key, resin jewelry, resin wall clock, etc. Today I am making alphabet H for one of my student with beautiful color combination blue and white with the help of epoxy resin and white blacks, glitter, acrylic paint. Very easy to make. Very interesting hobby. We can make useful things with the help of epoxy resin. I have also made alphabet M glittery. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.